In this tutorial, we will learn about union and union all in SQL and their differences. The union operator is used to combine the result set of two or more select statements. Every select statement within union must have the same number of columns. The columns must also have similar data types. The columns in every select statement must also be in the same order. In the example of union, the result will be combination of table A and table B by removing duplicates. Union all combines the result sets of two or more select statements and includes all rows, even duplicates. In the example of union all, the result will be combination of table A and table B by without removing duplicates. Key differences. Duplicate handling. Union removes duplicates. Union all includes all duplicates. Performance. Union may be slower due to the overhead of removing duplicates. Union all is generally faster as it does not remove duplicates.